Hey everyone, sorry for looking so crazy and welcome back to glammegal, and do subscribe to my channel please if you haven't already. This is like going to be the starting line for all the videos. I'm so sorry, but please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach out to as many people as possible. So if you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'm sure you're going to like the videos on this channel. And yeah, so today's video, as you might have guessed from the title of the video, is going to be on Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. God, I can't just speak. And I also happen to have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. So this is Goodbye Photo Flashback. So yeah, this is the pressed powder, this is the foundation. I had it with me for like I think past 8-10 months. I've had this foundation and powder now. I bought it from an Instagram store, and yeah, you might have seen me using this foundation quite a bit on my channel, but I haven't like done a dedicated review on this. So yeah, I just thought why not do it now that it's available readily on Nykaa.com. Budget friendly foundation. I think it is available for 500 or 600 rupees. I'm so sorry, I don't remember the price. I'm going to put it on the screen somewhere. Anyway, both of these are pretty affordable. Wet n Wild is a very affordable drugstore brand in US. So yeah, let's just get started with today's video. I've actually used my aloe vera gel. So I don't want to use like an illuminating primer because I want you guys to see the actual finish of this foundation. So my foundation is a golden beige and it is medium. So yeah, I do think like this is a good winter shade for me in summertime when I have a bit of a tan going on. Then this might not be the best choice for me. So yeah, let's just get started. So this is how it looks like. And the one thing that I don't like is that they don't have a pump packaging, although they do give this. But foundation claims to have been tested under 7 light conditions with top smartphone models, with and without flash. The thing about this foundation is that it is they claim that it is good under flash photography. It will not give you flashback, and that is true. I have been using this foundation for many months now. It is one of the best foundations I have used in a while, I can say that, but it does have a couple of negatives. The first one being the pump packaging. I do really prefer foundations with a pump packaging. Anyway, so moving on, the smell of this foundation is a major letdown. It just smells like so it just smells straight up like a paint and chemicals, and this scent really actually is a little bit overwhelming. So if you're sensitive to smells, you might want to skip this foundation. So yeah, let's just start using this. So I'm just going to apply this. So I'm going to use this Makeup Geek stippling brush. This is actually for contouring, but use this. I'm going to hold this like so and just pat. Just trying to first spread the foundation as much as possible. So I don't like to just go in like this with my foundation. I like to spread the foundation, and once I reach my neck, I also try to blend it down my neck as well. This is one layer of the foundation on my skin, and right now it is giving me kind of almost medium to full coverage. And honestly, this is as much foundation as I like to use on a regular basis, because then I'm going to apply concealer and a little bit of a you know, contouring also going on. So this is how much foundation I use, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to apply one more layer for you guys to see how it layers beautifully. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply one more layer of this foundation. I do get a foundation that is a little bit lighter. I do get, you know, I do apply a little bit more of a bronzer, and with my contour I try to balance out my face. So yeah. So now you can see this foundation is very easy to layer as well, and right now everything is looking like very pale and very white, but in a while when I'm done with my entire face, you will see the color is back on. And I've already mentioned, like, since I bought this online, I did not have much of a reference. I did get a little bit of a lighter shade. I would just have want, like, you know, light one shade darker, and that would have been perfect for me. So yeah, this is how this looks. It gives a very beautiful, a natural finish to the skin. Like, my skin doesn't feel very heavy on the skin. It's very lightweight. Let's talk about the photo focus powder. So this is how the powder looks like. As you can see, I've used this quite a bit. There's a nice dent in the center, and it's because I've been loving this a lot. So what I like to do with the powder application is, I like to take a smaller brush, and I just like to, you know, put it in the powder, tap off any excess, and then I just like to press it. I do use quite a bit of powder under my eyes, not so much on the skin, like on the rest of my face. See, it just leaves the skin looking extremely flawless, and I really like this. And this combination, like, of this powder and this foundation is ideal for photos. About it, with the powder, this is how I use it, and this is how, like, flawless it makes the skin look. I'm really loving this combination, and the powder is good. The only thing was, I had to scratch the surface of the powder once when it came in, because it wasn't picking up, like, on the brush the powder wasn't coming up. So I just kind of scratched the surface a little bit, and after that the powder was really nice. It's nice and pigmented. It's not like it doesn't have any pigment or it's a sheer powder. So yeah, that's about that. And since I have one more product from Wet n Wild, this one is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this one is in Precious Petals, and I'm very excited to use this as well. I bought this from the beautiful Erica. She has her Instagram page, I Heart Beauty Shop. I'm going to link it down below. Do check that out. She has the best pricing on makeup. She herself is a beauty blogger, so she knows the hustle, and yeah, her page is very good. She brings out, so her page has all the trending makeup you possibly can want, and yeah, so I got this from her, and I'm just going to take this and just going to tap 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 tap. I'm going to go a little heavy. I really like. So this is not like in your face blinding highlighter, and that is what I like about it. It's blendable, it's good. The color is good for Indian skin tones. This is going to see how this looks, how beautiful this looks. It doesn't like, you know, accentuate too much of my texture on my face, and it is subtle also, and I can build it up to a blinding intensity also. So I do like that about highlighter. So yes guys, those were my thoughts and opinions on the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and the powder. I like both the products. The one major downer with the Wet n Wild foundation is just the fragrance. If you can get over that, then it's a fabulous foundation. If you can get over the fragrance, then, like, odor, I won't even call it fragrance. If you can get over the strong scent, then you're going to love this foundation. Otherwise you might want to skip it because it is a little bit intense. You can see the makeup looks so beautiful on top of it. The skin looks like fresh and healthy. The skin doesn't look like too clogged up or heavy. It's a very lightweight foundation. The makeup sits good on it, so there are a lot of pluses. It doesn't have flashback. I'm going to insert few pictures of this look as well, and highly encourage you guys to try out the Precious Petals Highlighter as well. It is really very beautiful. I don't know how much the camera is capturing it, but I really do enjoy this one a lot. The powder again is very good, and it just makes, like, the under eye, like, for me this is my problem area, so it just makes it very smooth, and I hope you can see that on camera as well. So it is a very good powder. I really do, you know, recommend this, and I'm not sure if I mentioned my shade. So my shade is 824E, a warm beige. So I'm warm beige in this one, and I really love this powder a lot. So I do recommend the foundation and the powder and the highlighter and the lip products as well. So it's an affordable range, it's an affordable range, and you can buy it from Nykaa.com. And so I'll catch you on the next video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And thank you so much for watching glammegal. See you on the next one. Bye.